Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I am in here like about to get myself ready for bed. And I just had to come back because I am getting so many comments. I actually just got one, but I don't think it's the first one for today. And I've been getting them quite a bit lately. People are moving into new homes. And are invaded with bed bugs. I try my best to spread awareness about these bugs. I am trying my best to get to homeowners that rent their homes out, anybody who own any type of property. Airbnbs, nursing homes, assisted living homes, shelters, anything. I am trying my best, and a lot of people already know about these bugs, but I'm trying my best. Can you imagine moving? And these people who moving in their homes, these are first-time home buyers. So they are excited to move in their first home. Something that majority of us work our tails off to just buy a home, to have our first home. And to move in your first home and then turn up, you're getting bit, and then come and find out you have bed bugs. That whoever lived there before you left these bugs behind. They just jumped up and moved. So whoever jumped up and moved, they done took these bugs to a whole new location and they're gonna spread them there. I stress that when you do find out you have bed bugs, I'm sorry that you get them, but when you do find out you have them, you got to clear that issue up before you move, because you can't run away from them. Only thing you're going to do is run and take them right with you, and then it's going to be your problem and somebody else's problem and somebody else's problem and somebody else's problem. You got to take care of these things when you get them. It's unfortunate that we get them, that we encounter them, but if we do, we have to get rid of them. We have to be the one to stop it, because it's just going to keep going on and on and on. That's the issue. People just get them and they think that if they jump up and throw this stuff away and they move, it's going to be okay. It's not, because you're going to take something with you. You're going to take your purse. You're going to take you. They're attached to you too. They'll get on your clothes and just stick to you. They'll get in your purse, they'll get in your clothes, they'll go on your phone, they'll go on your luggage, they'll go on a bag, they'll anything. They attach themselves to anything. So you can't run away from them, but you can kill them. You can kill them. Even a big infestation, you still can get rid of them. If you have a huge infestation, of course, it's going to take a lot more time than if you didn't have a big infestation. Yes, a small one. It's going to take time. But it can be done. And I mean, I just don't really, I can't stress it enough that everybody needs to be using this stuff. This is not a game. It's not a joke. Everybody needs to be putting this powder down. When you first get a place, I don't care if it's an apartment or if you rent a room from somebody, whatever, before you take any of your belongings in there, it needs to be treated with diatomaceous earth. Everybody don't know about bed bugs. That's why I make these videos, because I'm hoping that people watch these videos that don't have bed bugs. You know, I think it seems like I'm gonna have to start titling these videos another way and just start targeting other people, start targeting everybody. And I'm gonna have to probably give it another title or something, because This is out of control. This is out of control. It's sickening to keep hearing about people just moving in their new home, and they in there thinking they're going to enjoy their home, and they in there getting bit and devastated. These things can mess you up mentally. I mean, when I say they really can. They can mess with your mind terribly. And for people who never had them, who don't understand, you just consider yourself fortunate and blessed. But don't ever think that it can't happen to you, because it can. So folks, if you have bed bugs or if you encounter bed bugs, I have a ton of videos on here. I even do consultations now. I do consultations where I do my videos, but if someone actually needs to talk, because people are distraught. People are really distraught. And because I spend so much time with this, and I do charge for consultations. Not much, but I do charge because, you know, it's just a lot of my time. And then sometimes it gets a little, I'm not going to say frustrated, because I don't get frustrated with helping people, but sometimes I get a little angry because some people don't want to do what it takes to get rid of them, but they want to keep complaining about them. You just have to do it. It's not about nothing that a person want to do or anything. It's just you do it and get rid of them and let that be that. So like I said, all depending on the size of the infestation, that's all depending on the amount of work you're going to have to do. But I would tell any and everybody, treat your whole home. If you got a 3-level, treat all 3 levels. Treat every bedroom. Treat the basement. Treat the holes down along the wall. Treat the whole place. Treat it. And before you move any furniture or anything in there, first thing you need to be going in there with some diatomaceous earth powder. You need to be going there with some diatomaceous earth powder. Yeah, I'm tired. I just had to come back and say this because it's sickening. It's sickening to hear that someone move into a brand new home. First time home buyers move to a brand new home, supposed to be like one of the happiest times of their life, and they fighting bed bugs. Now they fighting bed bugs. Because the people who moved out I can't say whether they told whoever they bought the house from, or if they was the ones that owned it and sold it, but somebody didn't say something. Somebody knew them bugs was in there. And somebody tried to run from them. They're trying to run away from them. And wherever they go, they're gonna be right there with them. And not only them, they're gonna spread them to other people. And it's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame. I do not sit here and create these videos because I don't have nothing to do or because I'm trying to just pass time. That is not why I do this. I am really trying to spread awareness about these bugs. And if anybody watch that don't have bed bugs, don't ever, don't for once think that one day this could not be you, because it can. It can. None of us expect to get them. None of us want them. So if we can get it, so can you. Diatomaceous earth don't cost that much. It don't cost a whole lot. I know some people it might be hard for, tight for some people to get it, but think about something that you really want, and you do what you gotta do to get it. It's one of those cases. I mean, get it, put the powder down everywhere, and like people who might feel like they don't have it, you just put that powder down everywhere and you go on with your life. You just go on with your life. Guys, okay. I'm gonna leave it right here, but yeah, I had to come and say it. I had to come back and say it because this is actually bothering me. This is really bothering me that people just don't seem to care. They don't seem to care, and they getting bit and ate up, but they gonna try to run away from it and not even say nothing, and let people move in these places behind them, knowing that them bugs is in there. That is just downright wrong. I'll see you guys on the next video.